Have you ever wished for a career where you can be both a technology pro, a mind reader, and an advocate for people all at the same time? Welcome to the magic of customer experience. Customer experience is the only way of doing business that creates not just customers, but loyal fans. Customer experience is the only career field that pushes you to learn about every business function, from marketing to manufacturing to delivery to service. And it's the one sphere where companies of the future invest billions every year. GemSeek Xperience Academy, the first of its kind talent development program that prepares you for a career in customer experience, is starting soon. And we are recruiting 20 new CX stars. We will train you, give you a chance to work with the leaders in the CX industry, and help you grow. The Xperience Academy is the career-boosting shot you need. One practical program, just 8 weeks, free of charge. Created by GemSeek, globally recognized CX specialist, helping companies proactively address customer needs to reach the next level of CX. Apply today.